DocuSign or SignNow, two big names in digital signing, but which one really delivers? On the left, DocuSign, the industry powerhouse for secure e-signatures. And on the right, SignNow, agile, affordable, and built for speed. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into the real differences. We'll score each category head-to-head. By the end, you'll see exactly who wins where. The result in 2025, it might surprise you. Here's the mind map of all the stuff we're gonna compare. Pricing, security and compliance, features and integrations, usability and mobile experience, enterprise capabilities and compliance locales. Oh, and stick around because I have a wild fact about these apps coming up. So let's kick off with pricing. DocuSign's plans, yeah, they cover everything from basic needs to straight-up enterprise chaos. But you know what? That depth comes at a premium. We're talking at least $25 a user each month for standard, and honestly, if you want the bells and whistles, you're gonna climb tiers. For high volume, it gets pricey quick. Now, SignNow is kinda the opposite. It starts around $8 a user each month, which, if you're counting pennies or need volume, is a asterisk steal asterisk. Plus, they'll cut you a deal as you scale. Premium stuff does get locked behind higher plans, though. Between the two, SignNow is the clear value winner. Next up, security and compliance. DocuSign, it's a beast here. SOC 2, ISO 27001, GDPR, HIPAA, the whole alphabet soup, seriously, especially for regulated industries. You want those deep certifications? DocuSign's got more. They'll even set up HIPAA bar agreements if you ask. But again, sometimes those come with pricier plans. Now, SignNow covers a lot too. HIPAA, 21 CFR Part 11, GDPR, SOC 2, all in most regular plans. Encryption is top-notch. But if we're splitting hairs, DocuSign just checks off a few more boxes for hardcore compliance. So DocuSign sneaks ahead here. Let's talk features and integrations. DocuSign is kinda the Swiss Army knife: bulk sending, conditional fields, even document comparison. Oh, and it plugs right into platforms like Salesforce deep enough to run whole business processes. You get full document management too, which is slick, but fair warning, it can be overkill for tiny teams and some stuff is tiered. Flip to SignNow, it gets the basics, so asterisk right, e-signature, templates, workflow automation. There's native Salesforce integration, just less layered, and setup is quick. But compared to DocuSign, you lose some advanced tools that's more crucial for a giant company. DocuSign wins for serious feature hunters. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know DocuSign's so popular, people literally use its name instead of the word e-sign? Like, I'll DocuSign it to you. Wild, right? But on the flip, SignNow has helped healthcare teams cut turnaround time by 90%. That's not just tech, it's time saved in real life. Moving on to usability and mobile experience. DocuSign has a really polished app. Honestly, it's smooth, the interface is familiar, and everyone knows how to use it. But almost everything needs a connection, which can be a drag sometimes. Now, SignNow, this is kind of a sleeper hit. You can actually sign docs offline on the app and sync later. Super asterisk handy for folks on the move or dodgy Wi-Fi. Plus, if you hate onboarding hassles, it's designed for speed. Sure, it's got a more basic look, but it's extremely easy to pick up. SignNow kinda edges this one for convenience. Now for enterprise capabilities, DocuSign, oh wow, it was basically built for massive organizations. Scales up globally, admins get all kinds of controls and analytics, and the legal community pretty much treats its stamp as gold. Of course, if you're small, it's borderline overkill and pricey. SignNow is way more agile, perfect for small or mid-market teams, and getting set up is lightning fast. It doesn't have quite the same admin superpowers though, and if you ever outgrow that mid-market level, you may hit some limits. For global enterprise needs, DocuSign is the pick. And finally, compliance locales. DocuSign covers US, EU, and international laws for e-signatures, so you can pretty much send stuff anywhere. Sometimes you need upgraded plans for some of those global features though. SignNow, it's got general US, EU, and global law support, and for most people that's enough. Rare regional quirks can pop up for advanced stuff, but day-to-day, both basically nail coverage. Honestly, it's a tie. If you're visual, here's how these two stack up. DocuSign is a juggernaut in security, features, and enterprise power. SignNow absolutely crushes pricing and usability, especially for smaller teams. Both hit the global compliance marks, but DocuSign is just a little more robust. So, end of the day, if you want total feature depth, major security, and have complicated workflows or compliance needs, DocuSign is the one. But if you value price, speed, getting set up quickly, or just want something that's made for SMBs or fast-moving teams, SignNow is your best bet. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.